Tonight we're gonna head over to Disney Springs for dinner. We are dining at Wine Bar George for the very first time. Never been there before, heard a lot of great things about it, and very excited. So we'll see you guys there. Jared got one of George's special wines.
Sicily Fines.
Sicily Fines. That rhymes with special wines. What is it called? Can you pronounce it for us? Just for fun, give it a whirl.
Ben 701.
You're the coup plow.
We have a large selection of wines here. It's a little bit overwhelming. We don't know a lot about wine. We usually just, you know,
drink it.
Yeah. We're not picky about our wine. So it's a little bit overwhelming. We're kind of hoping for a tasting, sampling. They said they will do a sampling, but you have to pick the wines. So again, we don't really know what we're doing. We kind of just... There's a lot of options.
3 ounce, 6 ounce, and a bottle.
Yes.
So you can pair one for 1 ounce.
To make your own, you can create your own flight, which is a really nice option. Yeah, for sure. I just went with easy. I went with a Moscato on tap. Very nice, very light, very refreshing. We got a nice view out here out the window of Disney Springs. There are tables outside and they have heaters, which is nice. There were a lot of people eating outside the other night when we were here, but I've been outside in the rain all day. I don't need to be outside for dinner, but I'm sure it's very nice out there. We get to enjoy the view without being outside, so that's good. How was your wine?
It's good. It's really light. Like it's not a heavy full body wine. It's light.
The one small thing, very small, and it's not a big deal. We're not crazy about our table location just because we're in a hallway by the back. So everybody's got to come through here from the bar to get service for the drinks, you know, to walk in, to get to your table, to go to the restroom. So it's very busy right here. But it is nice, like don't get me wrong, it's very nice in here. It's nice to be up against the window, and we're a party of 2, so obviously we're not going to get a large table, and all of the tables in the center of the room are large. So by all means it's very, very nice. It's just like, I feel out of place here in the hallway. I don't want to get in anybody's way. I feel like I'm in the server's way.
You have some meatballs?
Yes. Thank you.
How are you doing, guys?
Wow.
Like he just kind of walked around. He's like, oh, I heard you had meatballs. Here, take it.
Yeah. So we've got the meatballs here with a little polenta, and then we've got the mac and cheese bites. Everything smells so good. It does smell good. Look at how large it is too. They weren't.
You say big board. Meaning big board.
Yeah. Wow.
Alright, so I'm going to navigate you around your board so you kind of know what you're about to dive yourself into. We got our manchego from Spain, our point blue cheese from California, pork pate, prosciutto, chicken roulette that has fried chicken skin, spicy calabrese, mortadella, which is kind of like an Italian ham. We have a French style brie, our fog, which is a cow cheese from California, and then our Tom's Full Tom from Georgia. In the middle is our Beecher's cheddar, just from Seattle. We have pickles, whole grain mustard. This right here is our homemade bacon relish, fig jam, roasted almonds, and the fun fact about that honeycomb is actually supplied by the Savannah Bee Company here at Disney Springs.
Oh, cool.
Y'all enjoy.
Thank you so much. This honeycomb is actually from the Savannah Bee Company here at Disney Springs. Oh, I have the best part over here. I didn't even notice that. She put the bread next to me.
Let's get a little bit of brie, a little bit of ham with it. Can you say it was big jam?
I don't know, I'd have to go back to the video.
That's right. Very good. Ooh.
Spicy?
No. Moldy. That's what the dark is.
I'm gonna try the brie. No.
No?
I don't like that at all. No. No. More for you. Not for me.
So, there wasn't any Iberico ham.
No, there wasn't. We checked Wine Bar George off of our Disney Springs bucket list. I really liked the meatballs. I liked the mac and cheese. The meatballs had like a smoky flavor. I just thought they were really good. I guess they had sausage and beef and pork. The polenta that went with them was really good.
The mac and cheese bites were good. And
the wine was really good. I don't think I've had a wine that was $10 since we've been here.
yeah, you got it on the tap.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I think my wine was pretty affordable.
Yeah, but it's $61 for a big board of freaking meat and cheeses and
Yeah, no, it was definitely the most
plus
expensive.
2 glasses of wine. So my literal dinner or whatever you want to call it was $90 for 2 glasses of wine, some cheeses, and some meats. I'm sorry, I can't justify that one. And they don't have any entree options.
We have 2 entrees.
So
The skirt steak, which is $72.
look, if you have another person that's interested in eating a charcuterie board, sure, maybe it makes sense, but you don't eat it. So
Right.
for me to order a giant board of meats, and look, I could have ordered the smaller one, sure, but I did want to experience the whole thing. It's just, I would never go back unless they added more options for like meals.
So that's gonna do it for us here tonight. We're back at Margaritaville Orlando Resort in Kissimmee. We're gonna get to bed. We got another day of park hopping tomorrow, so stay tuned. Thanks for traveling with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. You should not be assembling things tonight, oh my goodness. You are all thumbs this evening. So we're ordering wine like you do at a Chinese restaurant because we can't pronounce any of them and they have numbers. And that's it for us for tonight. We're just gonna hit the sack. Is that how you say it?
Hit the rack, hit the sack.